Colin, you handsome devil. You gotta look at me.
Oh, sorry.
So I always do silly things like this. So right, the reason we got the hair fall sign in is because companies steal our videos, buddy. And we do such good work. Welcome to the Beast. This is Steve, bless him. He's going to do a video, and I'm doing it with all adhesive on his head because we've removed the hair system. That was nice of me. But he's going to chat to you. I'm going to keep out of it and leave this to Colin and Steve to get along with.
Okay, thank you. Okay, just give you an idea of what the new system is like when it's fitted. My next day when I went into work, walked behind the counter, and the counter staff actually ran after me and said, "Excuse me, you're not allowed behind the counter." When I turned around, they actually realised it was me, and that's how amazing the new hair system is.
So what's your second system in total, is it?
Yeah, that's it. System number 2. Yeah, I was really pleased with the first one.
Yeah. And how long did it last you?
First one lasted about 9 months. One thing people do get a little bit nervous about is actually going away on holiday abroad, and they're worried about their system. But talking now from experience, I went to Bali and the system actually was really good, and the temperature over there, the system works well with it, the glue works well, even better than the heat in this country. So it gives you a lot more confidence that when you go on holiday you haven't got to worry about your system.
Yeah, I've heard that before, Steve. I've got a client who went to wasn't Bali, Maldives, and he said, like, when he went out there, he was thinking it was going to last 3 or 4 days. He said it stuck far better in Maldives than it does in the UK, and he was out there for 3 weeks.
Yeah,
and it was solid.
Yeah,
so, yeah, definitely. I think it's different types of heat.
Okay, this is the next bit where Colin's applying the glue.
Yeah, we're using Perfect medical adhesive today. Super perfect. How long do you normally get out of this one, Steve, when you've had the medical adhesive applied previously?
I get usually a good month out of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, sometimes even 5 weeks.
Is that doing front touch-ups yourself, or do you not have to touch it?
Yeah, usually once every sort of couple of weeks it just needs a touch-up.
Yeah. But the whole thing will last generally sort of about 4 weeks.
4 to 5 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Generally you find during sort of winter times where the temperature is cooler, you can usually get a bit longer out of it.
Yeah.
Summer times just a little bit shorter.
Okay. Yeah, as to be expected.
Okay, as you can see, the left it 5 minutes and the glue's dried to a clear, and we're ready to go to the next stage.
Just make sure it lines up perfectly. Yeah. Just get the. Okay. Some people use tweezers. It's probably actually easier to use tweezers. I'm used to using a comb. Make sure you take up any tension on the system, so when you're putting it down you don't get wrinkles in the system.
Right, as you can see, this is the next stage. I probably look like the bear that plays the piano on the Muppet Show at the moment, but give it 20 minutes and we'll see what it looks like then. Okay, and this is the look afterwards. All ready to hit the town tonight.
20 minutes is a massive transformation. Looking good, Steve.
Cheers, Colin. Mate. Thanks so much.
No, he's awesome, mate.
Good job.
You've got every side is good with your hair system on, Steve. But I've just taken Steve into the room. I like coming in this room because you've got 3 angles there of your hair. You've got that mirror, and face on. And Steve was just telling me that he's left this system a little bit longer because he's, you grew in confidence with the first one, really, didn't you?
Yeah, definitely.
And it gives you a bit more flexibility, is that right?
That's it, yeah.
Go on, carry on, dude. Don't be scared of the camera. You're looking too good to be scared of the camera.
Well, the thing is, before I had a system, I used hair thickener.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
Did you use a fibre? Did you use?
Yeah, I used the fibre one,
Yeah.
and of course, over time, when the hair was getting thinner and thinner,
Yeah.
I was finding that by using that product,
You ended up spraying it on your head.
that's
Yeah. Do you know what? I've said this to every consultation that comes in to see me. Like I said, you probably know I used to play sport for a living. Yeah, and I used to wear a mainspray, and it served a purpose. But then I was getting thinner and thinner, and in the end, it took my brother to have a few pints of Stella and turn around to me and say, Phil, can you stop putting that stuff in your head?
Yeah.
You know, but when I saw you, you looked quite good with the cover up. So the transition was quite good for you, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. It blended nicely. I said it came to a time where the hair thickener, it came to the end of its
served its
stage.
purpose.
It served its purpose while I still had some hair, but as I said, as the hair was gradually thinning out, I said it was time to sort of move on to a much better product.
Yeah, and the impact you had, you told me some stories about your powers. Some people don't even know what you had, and then you've told a few people, but a lot of people haven't said a word, have they?
No, as I said, the transition, they've actually said, you look like your younger brother that's like 10 years younger than you, so I certainly ran the age clock back.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, look, it's hair systems, you know, the day at 550 quid is not a lot of money to me as the day I've lost the plot, but I mean, I'm going to say this, you've enhanced your lifestyle with this, haven't you? So the value.
I would say it's every penny worth spent.
Yeah, definitely. And like I said, this is your second system, and by the look of it, I'm going to come in closer now because I put those trendy little highlights, everybody.
Oh yeah,
You
love
can
them.
see, just added a little bit of highlights at the front, and without smashing Stuart's room up, then give us a tour.
Okay,
I don't think you can. Nice one, Steve.
And what I'd just like to add as well is not only does it look good, but it builds your confidence as well.
Now we're going to get on to women, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Right, we've got to be a bit careful, but you gain confidence. I mean, when I first had it done, I was single, and I found it able to approach ladies when I was out, not necessarily to chat them out, but just felt more confident speaking to them. Have you felt the same? Have you?
Yeah, definitely.
Keep it clean. Keep it clean.
When I knew I was actually losing it on top, I'd lost a lot of confidence and a lot of self-esteem to go over and talk to ladies. But I said now I've got all that back again.
Now you sprint over, do you?
I do, yeah.
That can be just as annoying for ladies, right? If you're too overconfident. Anyway, dude, thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it.
So, you're welcome, Phil. Cheers now.
Cheers. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.